Why do services matter? The growth of service in the economy can indicate a country's growth. Developed countries like Germany or the United States will have significantly larger service sector than the manufacturing. In general, the service industry in developed countries tends to be more diverse and sophisticated compared to that in developing countries. For example, in developed countries, the service sector includes a wide range of sectors such as finance, healthcare, education, information technology, entertainment, and tourism. These sectors require highly skilled workers and offer a variety of services to customers. In developing countries, the service industry is often limited to a few basic sectors, such as transportation, retail, or hospitality. In comparison, Indonesia is a developing country, and service covers about 60% of the economy, where US or Germany has around 80 to 90% of their economy in the service sector. Additionally, developing countries may have limited access to technology and infrastructure, which can further hinder the development of their service industry. It is worth noting that service industry is becoming increasingly important in both developed and developing countries as the global economy becomes more service-oriented. However, the gap between the service industries in developed and developing countries remains significant. We know that service is intangible, so how do we create an effective service? Well, we can use a simple method called the service package. In service package, we bundle together all of the qualities we want to offer to customers. There are 4 items in a service package. First is the supporting facility, second is the facilitating goods, the third is explicit service, and the fourth is implicit service. Let's make an example using hotel business, shall we? Supporting facility of a hotel is hotel building. So you cannot have a hotel without a building itself. And facilitating goods can be all the equipments you buy for the hotel. Have you ever been to a hotel and you can find slippers or maybe soap bar in the room that has your hotel name? That's facilitating goods. Explicit service is the reason you stay at a hotel. You are looking for a temporary place to rest, far away from home. Lastly, the implicit service is how the service is acted on you. For example, it is the psychological benefit of staying at a hotel, like your privacy, your comfort, etc. So can you make your own service package example? Well, nowadays it is very difficult to find a pure manufacturing or service company. When buying products, you get at least some service. And when you consume service, there will be supporting products in it. That's why it will be what we call a goods service continuum. If you buy a car, which is a product, you will get at least a type of service, such as insurance, you will have customer service, and others. And when you use service, you will likely to get some products with it. If you buy an airline ticket, you get to use airplane without having to own one. Finally, there are many differences between manufacturing and service sector, but both are important in growing the economy. Some challenges for the two companies are sustainability issues and the technology. Now you know that there are many different types of company and how they operate. Hopefully, this session brings many benefit to you all. Goodbye and have a nice day. Thank you.